How to add a Bluetooth widget to iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is on. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type Bluetooth and select the Set Bluetooth action from the results. By default, the action is set to turn Bluetooth on. Tap on the word Turn. From the menu that appears, select Toggle. This will change the action to switch Bluetooth on or off each time the shortcut is run. Now, tap the drop-down menu icon at the top of the screen and choose the Add to Home Screen option. You can customize the icon's name and appearance. Once you are satisfied, tap on Add in the top right corner to place the new shortcut on your home screen for easy access. You have now successfully added a Bluetooth toggle shortcut. Following these steps, you can easily add a Bluetooth widget to your iPhone's home screen.